So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get 8 samples of the potato ready to go. 4 for the room temperature and 4 for the warm temperature. So I'm going to cut straight on here this potato. Measure off about 5 centimeters. We'll cut straight again. Then I just have to core 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, 2, 7, and 8. Okay, next I'm going to get the mass of these. What I want to do is get the mass of the potato cylinders I just made, and this is important for you to record. So I'm going to do this in order. I'm going to start with the 0, then go to 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 for the room temperature treatment. Then the next 4 are going to be 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 for the water bath or warm treatment. I have blotted all of these now with Kim wipes, and so I want to tare the scale. So everything's at 0, and we'll just put the cylinder on, and you want to record that value. Okay, so get that value, record it. I'm then going to put this here. We shall then do our second one. We'll tare it again. Put that one on. You can record that value. Our third one, then you can record that values. This will be 0.4 and 0.6 for room temperature. Now we'll do the same thing for the warm treatment. So here is 0 molar for the warm treatment. .2 for the warm treatment. .4 for the warm treatment. And 0.6 for the warm treatment. Here's our setup ready to go. Right here then we have our room temperature. Right here we have our water bath. Okay, so our water bath is keeping all of our solutions warm. We have our 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 here. 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and now I'm going to put the potato cylinders in directly then as we measured them. So here's our 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. Now I'm going to leave those then for 30 minutes, and at the end of the 30 minutes then we'll drain the water, blot them, and get the mass of them after. Okay, so our half hour is up. So the first thing I want to do is just verify the temperatures. So this one has a temperature of 24 degrees centigrade. And this one has a temperature of 34 degrees centigrade. Okay. So now what I want to do is I basically am going to take these guys out in order again. And so I'm just going to grab this one with the tweezers, take it out, blot it here. Okay. Grab the next one with the tweezers and blot it. And I'm going to then do that for all 8 of these. Okay, and I just want to get the masses of my blotted samples. So here is 0 molar for room temperature. Okay. 0 molar or 0.2 molar for room temperature. 0.4 molar for room temperature. And 0.6 molar for room temperature. Now our warm ones, so here is 0 molar for our warm. 0.2 for our warm. 0.4 for our warm. And 0.6 for our warm. Okay.